Members of the Nyotrep Youth Council (HYC) had met the Minister in charge of Education Rakam A. Sangma today, the 1st of August 2023, to discuss on the challenges with regards to NEHU's proposal to implement the new Education Policy 2020 in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the President of the HYC, Robert June Kharjarin, informed that the organization has requested the intervention of the state government into the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in all colleges across the state, as it involves the future of students as far as their career is concerned.
Naka liang jong u minister ula da pongangi ba pun sakhot ia katu ka higher and technical council meeting ya ba ke head of institution kin don la ti haba ki head of institution ka bomut ki principal na bar college kin wan ti ula assure ban ya keren ya kani kamat hakata ka meeting phik mo pitip ka state government kamla ban determine ye ki academic policy jong kan nihu makanihu gadi ka autonomous institution apo ka central government ti hendrai lengba ka tapat na mo beli UVC udi member hakata council ti lada ki ya keren ya kani kam hakata ka council ni lesi kila ban yekta ki jing pedon kam kila ban ya keren but ka state government kala ban step in for lesi banerap khamtam financially academic consultation ki able bakani hendrai financially kata ada gawi kabar nakaliang jong kabar nakaliang jong minister uang ba un saya keren bat kabor jong kaniku hakabdi bat kaniku kam na obli kumba ngilalik bane kenduk UVC mene ulah kular yang ni ba un sakhot kawi ga meeting abandon lang ki teachers organization ki kaniku abandon lang ki representative yang pasti government bat kiseng alang ru ban keren ya kaniku kam tingisu ban ong balada ki wan kini ki meeting lada kadon kum kini ki ngila bat nakaliang ga jong yiru ngila da ong ba udi ban ong ya kaniku le kum no ban perlong itu ka emergency academic council meeting abli ka tu ka academic council kadi ka bor ka ban rai ya ki policy decision hakabadai bat kajing penterikam tila da academic council kampat agree banaya chakmat ya kajing penterikam ya NEP hatu tang ke executive council jong kani hukala mo badsim ya kata karai ngabli ka involve ya ka policy decision ti halor kani ula da pongi bo unsa le hakabor haka level ke jong u bat ni khimit nanti ba sarkar jala ka chimkhia ya kani kam khanang ba kini kijing ni la.
On the inclusion of vocational and skill development courses as per the new National Education Policy of 2020, the President of the HYC said that the Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, should call for another meeting of the Academic Council, teachers' representatives, college teachers' associations, pressure groups and other stakeholders to discuss on the pros and cons related to the immediate implementation of the new Education Policy 2020 in all educational institutions in the state of Meghalaya.
Kalong ba kuba pitip ka vocational courses ki training institution ya ka vocational kiladon haman ki jaka ngidon ki NIT ngidon kami ngidon ki private institution ki bale tinglong ba bali ki ya don ga kenja mo uyu si apa ki college pat kini ki vocational training institute ban ayah ta ka vocational course sya ki student ki jongi ngin ay nuksa kum ka security ga bali kim tim obat ko hungat ani kim tim obat kino ki private institution ban sanya mo uyu ban yo ayah kata ka vocational course ki student let's say kum ka BEd balik kim tim op but let's say ka sen demon na ni ka subs in college kala ben tim op but kanu institution ka aya ka BEd course hakabari but kaning kam ti kum kini ki ideas kum kini ki intervention la da kadai ha ka financial intervention la kadai ha ka academic intervention but kum ju uru ha ka policy making intervention kala don kam hadu kata kenang ba kani ka problem and la ban solve ti kani ka for ya ka ba ka higher and academic council jong state government kadi ban chimkhia but ni dawa nak state government ba watla kani hu kamdi ka benta jong state government andri kani ka for ka ba hab ban muslia la ne hab ban yarap na obli kumba kalong mata ka ba ma kalong ba kadon ga jingapher jumur ka bajur apa ding kanihu authority bat kinoi kai bat lada ya kani ka kam ni malam betul bet ka ban suffer ka di student bat ki parent